Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I just got back from the trip of a lifetime, driving the road to Hana in a Polaris Slingshot. The road to Hana in Maui, I swear to God, is literally the best road I have ever driven in my entire life. So today, we're gonna go and find some new roads in the 720S Spider. I've gotten in this rhythm of just driving my two favorite roads, Stunt and Piuma, and you know what? I wanna find something different, mix it up a little bit. So I'm meeting up with some friends, and we're gonna go for a little rip through the canyons. Now, some updates for you guys. My Ferrari, you guys know that I sold that car a while back. Well, it's actually on consignment and it's still for sale at San Francisco Ferrari. And it's actually right now the cheapest Speciale Aperta in the entire country. Absolutely mint condition, just under 3,000 miles. One of my favorite cars of all time. So beautiful, sounded so nice. The driving experience was honestly unparalleled. The only reason I sold it is I wanted to put 1 million miles on it, and unfortunately, that's not good for value. So if you or anyone you know is interested in getting a Speciale Aperta at an amazing price, contact San Francisco Ferrari. But please, only message or call them if you're actually interested in buying the car. 720S Spider, looking sexy as ever. I can't get over how much fun this car is to drive. As I've said in the past, most supercars are more dude magnets than chick magnets. It's the simple truth. But something about this 720 has gotten more female attention than any car I have ever driven. And I'm curious, I wonder if it has something to do with the color Memphis Red. This color is fantastic, and I read something somewhere that girls find the color red more attractive. I don't know. Female subscribers, chime in right now. Is it the color or is it just a freaking beautiful car? It's literally happened 3 different times in this car where I've been filming on the side of the road and girls have literally pulled their car over to come say hi and check out the car. Why doesn't this happen in any cars that I actually own? Driven the 720 400 miles so far, but I'm allowed to put several thousand on it, so I think we're gonna need to do a road trip. Maybe a road trip to Vegas to visit Houston and drive his 918 Spider? What do you think, dude? 918 review? I think that'd be sick. So 4th of July is in 2 days from filming this video. It might be the same day that I actually post it. Alex was taking a picture of the 720 and realized that the Camaro's blue and his M2 is white. So maybe we should get a little 4th of July picture. Awkward, slow, long walk. What's going on, dude? What up?
What up, bro?
Hey, Spencer.
That's gonna be another long walk.
Yeah, no. Alex's M2 is actually frighteningly loud. Well, after 4 hours of rearranging the cars, we ended up with a pretty dope shot and James up there on the roof for some reason. There's no foliage up there.
There's a tree.
That's true.
Yeah. Gotta be the same height as it, man.
I didn't even know you could get on my roof.
Yeah.
I'm having so much fun up here.
Yeah.
Do it for the gram. That actually looks pretty dope. Ready to roll?
Ready to roll.
Let's hit it. You got a fresh tune on the freaking M2?
Yeah.
What's it like?
2 by VFs. I mean, power's there. Burbles sounds amazing.
It burbles a lot more now?
Oh yeah.
So you're gonna be that guy?
Yeah.
All right, let's roll. Headed out to Malibu now, and then we're gonna take Latigo Canyon back, which is one of the craziest roads in the area. It's so funny. So Alex Vidrug is one of my absolute best friends, and we have this running joke now. How many cars can I test out and our own? And we hang out 1 million times that he doesn't get a ride in. So the last like ton of cars that I've tested, the Shelby Cobra, the Corvette, this 720S, he hasn't even been in the 600 LT yet because every time we meet up, he just randomly is in his car. But hopefully I can give him a ride in the 720 at some point. I'm actually convinced that in comfort mode, the 720S Spider is more comfortable than my E63. The suspension is actually the craziest thing ever. And then when you put it in a track, it's an absolute beast. sharp turns is unbelievable. The traction control system makes you feel safe like you're a champion driver, yet lets the car play a little bit. It's just unbelievable. And I hit the windshield wipers. All right, well that was the chillest highway. Oh, they're filming. That's what's going on. I was gonna say that's the chillest highway patrol of all time because we came around that corner going really fast, making a lot of noise, and he just goes, give me a minute and I'll get out of the way. This road, Latigo, is actually insane. I need to come film out here more. The length of it and the amount of turns is unbelievable. We're still trying to figure out what they were filming because we saw a base camp and a whole bunch of film crew and then a crazy Polaris looking off-road vehicle. I don't know. I wonder if they're doing some type of off-road rally video. That'd be pretty dope. I was going pretty fast around that corner too. Oh, you're filming. Speed bumps.
Good thing this has a lift.
Yeah, no front lift option on this one. I don't quite understand why they did that, but honestly the front overhang's not terrible. So I've been able to get in and out of stuff without scraping it once, but definitely would option a front lift if I owned one. Here's the worst part about any supercar, not being able to reach the ticket thing. Oh, there we go. Not bad. See, there's an advantage of having a convertible. You can't stick your head up like that in the coupe. Stop by our buddy Tim's restaurant, Paradise Cove. This place is like Hawaii in Malibu. Got some Mai Tais going.
Yeah.
Fire. Just had a bomb lunch at Paradise Beach Cafe, and finally, he's getting a ride in the 720.
Oh, dude, I'm so
Let's do it. All right, Alex's first time in the 720. Holy Not bad.
Oh,
Not
dude.
bad.
that acceleration is something else, man. Wow.
Just finished up our drive. The 720S was absolutely perfect for a beautiful day like today. Now we're gonna go head up, do some hiking with the boys. I normally wouldn't film stuff like this, but figured, why the heck not? Let's roll out. So we're about to go on a hike to a place called Paradise Falls, except we have no idea how long the hike is because our friend Joe, who organized the whole thing, decided to bail at the last minute. So, Joe, you're missing out, man. It's gonna be a blast. What are you doing, dude?
Joe?
Oh, no, he's not there. He bailed on us.
Where is he?
Bummer, dude. See, even Chris showed up, Joe.
Come on, Joe.
Still no sign of Joe, but we did find this dope teepee behind us. That's actually awesome.
Look what you're missing out on.
Yeah, Joe, missing out big time. This is sick. Welcome to Trail Reviews with Parker, Chris, Alex, and James. What are we thinking about these trails, boys?
Looks like a trail of the rail to me.
Safety, guys. That's
Safety.
the key.
All right, well, it turns out Paradise Falls is actually really sick. Wow. Well, crikey, that might be a 10 out of 10, eh?
All of a sudden you see Joe come out of the water.
Oh, that's the second poison oak warning.
All right.
Wearing
so
shorts
This is a B now.
for safety. Damn. Definite extra points for this duck in the crossing.
All right, Alex, let's see it.
All right, are you gonna send it?
Send it. This one's sketch, boys.
Oh, no way. We found out how to get on top of the waterfall. Wow. That actually ended up being a super dope hike. The sun is about to set, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog now. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys next video.